Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for taking time to join my presentation today at International Annual Conference on Economic Management, Business and Accounting. I am a lecturer at Faculty of Economic and Business, Sekolah University, Aceh. I will be presenting on the development of Special Autonomy Fund for Aceh over 15 years. The purpose of this presentation is to provide an overview of how the Special Autonomy Fund have played a role in the development of Aceh, as well as the challenges faced is managing this fund. Through this research, I hope we can all gain a deeper understanding of the contribution of this fund to the welfare and development of Aceh, a region that has undergone a likely post-conflict recovery process. Thank you very much for participant. Aceh Province was granted special autonomy status after the Helsinki Peace Agreement Z and then the long run armed conflict between Gerakan Aceh Merdeka GAM with Indonesia government. Based on the law governing special autonomy, Aceh received fund for development from the central government for 20 years ago, amounting to significant total over the course of this period. However, despite the lack sum of fund allocated, the goal of improving the welfare at the people has not been fully achieved. Aceh continues to have one of the highest profit rate in Indonesia. Audit by the Supreme Audit Agency indicate several issues in management of this fund. A study by World Bank highlights that the local government in Aceh lack the capacity to manage this fund effectively. The management of this fund has not been transparent, does not work as intended, pointing to poor governor and handing the special autonomy fund. Thank you very much for all participants. We look the table one above. The trend of Aceh Special Autonomy Fund has generally followed the increase in the national funding allocation. There were significant fluctuation over the years, with the highly increased offer at one point and the lowest recorded a few years later. Additionally, in certain years, the funding saw a decrease. However, despite this fluctuation, the overall average annual funding has remained consistent, reflecting a steady annual increase. Aceh Regional Revenue and Expenditure Budget has fluctuated over the years. Every years, please fluctuated with variance in the total funding each years. Despite this fluctuation, the Special Autonomy Fund consistently contribute a significant portion to the budget of Aceh government. In some years, this fund played an especially like role providing crucial support to Aceh development, particularly during time when local revenue was lower. This consistent support highlight the improvement of the Special Autonomy Fund in the province growth. Thank you very much uh, for all participants. Can be look table 3 above. Looking at the allocation of special autonomy fund for foreign sector, the largest portion of for the years has been directed toward infrastructure development, followed by education and health sector. Significant funds were also allocated to area like people, economic improvement, empowerment, and property elevation. Will this area receive a considerate share? Sector like social welfare and Aceh special status receive a smaller portion. This distribution reflect the priority placed on infrastructure whilst addressing the need for improvement in education, health, and economic condition in Aceh province. All participants, thank you very much. We have it conclusion it my topic. Aceh Special Autonomy Fund significantly support the region development, focusing on infrastructure, economic, education, and health. Despite this, the province still face high profit rates, indicating that the fund have not been fully effective in alleviating property. Evaluation showed that much of this allocation fund remain aspect family due to poor alignment between planning and implementation. Planning and implementation. The fund have been directed toward key priority sector in line with the government regulation for long-term development. It is for Aceh government to Aceh the next yes. Aceh Special Autonomy Fund significantly support the region development, focusing on infrastructure, economy, education, and health. despite in the province still face high property rate, indicating that the fund have not been fully effective in elevating property. The fund have been directed toward key priority sector between key priority sector in line with the governor in Aceh about regulation for long-term development. Thank you very much for all participants. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.